If you're seeing the X or Twitter rate limit exceeded error, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it quickly, with a few simple steps that work for most users on desktop and mobile. This usually happens when you've viewed too many posts, refreshed too often, or triggered a temporary restriction on your account or connection. The good news is, in many cases, you can solve it without doing anything complicated. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, the easiest fix is to stop using X for a little while. Close the app, close the browser tab, and wait about 15 to 30 minutes. In many cases, the limit resets on its own after the cooldown period. While you're waiting, avoid constantly refreshing, reopening the app, or trying the same action again and again, because that can extend the restriction. If the error still appears after waiting, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. On your computer, open your browser settings, then go to Privacy and Security, and look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files. After clearing them, restart your browser and log back into your X account. This can help if your browser is holding on to old session data that keeps the error active even after the timer resets. Now let's fix another common cause, which is third-party apps. If you use multiple apps, bots, browser extensions, or tools connected to your X account, they may all be using the same limited access in the background. To check this, go to X, click More in the left sidebar, then open Settings and Support, and go into Settings and Privacy. From there, choose Security and Account Access, then Apps and Sessions. Review every connected app and remove anything you don't recognize or no longer use. This can immediately reduce extra activity that may be triggering the rate limit. If you're still getting the error, try changing your network connection. Sometimes the limit is tied to your IP address instead of just your account. If you're already on mobile, try a different network if possible. Then refresh the page and see if X starts working again. A network change can often give you a fresh path back into the platform. For people who use X heavily for business, research, or automation, you may run into rate limits more often than normal. In that case, upgrading to X Premium or Twitter Blue may help increase your allowance for certain actions. This isn't required for everyone, but if you keep hitting the same limit repeatedly, it may be worth checking your plan options inside your account settings. One more helpful tip: if you're troubleshooting on mobile, you can also try force closing the app, clearing the app cache if your device allows it, and then logging in again after the cooldown. The same basic idea applies everywhere, which is to stop triggering new requests, clear old session data, and give the platform time to reset your access. So, to recap, the fastest way to fix the rate limit exceeded error is to wait a bit, clear your browser cache and cookies, remove unnecessary connected apps, and switch networks if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back into X without much trouble. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more quick fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another X or Twitter error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.